Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your HONOR Earbuds to Lite with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, at the top, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth like on iOS, or maybe you need to click Refresh button if you have it. Then, open the charging case. Oh, let me click on it. Open the charging case, and at the right side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white. So press and hold. Now it starts blinking white, and we should see them at the device list. Let me just remove it from the case. Okay, now tap at your earbuds and then click pair. Also, if you want to allow access to contacts and call history, you need to click at this slider if the slider have empty background, and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!